Yeah, so this is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction. I'm at the Breezewood Village apartment. So I don't know if you remember, but a couple weeks ago I did a video regarding a retaining wall in La Mirada. So I said there was some settlement happening where the rotation on the retaining wall is going to affect all the upward areas. So is probably about 400 feet long, and about 200 feet of it, it's leaning or deflecting. So if you could see that, you could see how much deflection or how much leaning there is on that wall right there. So these are the apartments I'm gonna be looking at and doing my measurements on. They're all having cracks in their drywall. And check this out. Right down there, see that separation there? There's about an inch where it's pulling. The whole curb area is moving towards that rotated retaining wall. So there's definitely, they definitely need Dalinghaus for that permanent fix that I was talking about. So I'm gonna measure these units and hopefully update you once we're doing the work here. So adios from La Mirada.
20 minutes later.
So I was just talking to Justin in our office that does all the marketing for us, and I was just telling him all the signs that I'm seeing at that retaining wall project. And I just looked over here at this wall. This is the wall right next to, I don't know if you could see that. There it is. This is the gap. So you could see all the signs that are moving. So you got not only the retaining wall down here is leaning, it's affecting this wall up here. It's affecting the apartments right there, and it's affecting the parking lot right there. So that 200 feet of repair that we're talking about, it's gonna be very important to repair that permanently, or all this stuff is gonna keep moving. So, all right, talk to you later.